Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to add clickable link to a Facebook post. Now you can do this on your iPhone, Android and even computer, but before we proceed, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. I'm going to show you how to do it on your personal profile and your Facebook page. Now if I were to click what's on my mind and I type in youtube.com and I post it, as you can see it automatically detects it as a link. And you can always go to a specific browser, site, whatever, copy that link and just paste it right over here as I did with the YouTube. Now let me show you how to do it with a Facebook page. So click on the bottom right and then click on this arrow where it says 6 for me and move over to your Facebook page. It's same thing, tap on what's on your mind, then you can just paste the URL and it's going to show you a preview, or you can just type in the website yourself, and once you post it the links will be visible. As you can see, here is the link, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you're stuck on some steps, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.